over the Congress of the MDC as the chairman of the MDC, who was not nominated by the people in Zimbabwe. You were not even nominated by anyone. All the 10 provinces in the country, they didn't nominate you.
Instead of complimenting the efforts of Douglas
so right now,
Komichi,
you are just you thank God you used that. My name is Apostle Boaz, the Apostle of Stubborn Faith. Whatever I'm saying right now, I'm trying to address it because you quoted the Bible. You quoted Adonijah. Adonijah did exactly what you are doing. He went away and tried to, you see, this guy, exactly what Haman did is what you are doing. Whatever grave that you are digging right now is that grave that you are going to fall into. And the Mordecai of today, who is Douglas Montola, you are going to see him rising. Rising. You are Adonijah, you are Absalom, you are the Haman of today in this country. You are digging the grave for the leader of the MDC. But guess what? You are going to fall in that grave. Right now on your Facebook page, people are not supporting you. People are not supporting anything that we say. Sometimes you'll be posting things and I'll be feeling sorry. This guy, what really happened? What has he been smoking of late?
I think you are entertaining a mental health segment. We need
no.